to share a few minutes, few words with us in the commemoration of the day.
Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you, Katra. I'm so happy for this event. My name is Mariam Omar. Actually, before I become American citizen, my name used to be Mariam Warsame. I've been out of the country for 4 years. I'm back to the United States. I'm happy to be here. I would like to just say a few words to the Somali women who are sitting here today. I came from Somalia, Nairobi.
Thank you for showing up. That's good. Thank you.
We are not
And we did very well.
anymore.
Yeah.
We are
I guarantee you.
citizens. Those people are the ones who need help, and they need our help. And we as a Somali women, we have to help them. They have no one else but us. I would also like to mention, I'm very happy for Columbus community, the way they welcome Somali community, Somali refugees. I've been here since 1996 when Somalis started coming to Columbus, Ohio. And I can understand what we've been through as a community. But now, there was